Welcome. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to block someone's profile directly from a post on Facebook using your PC, you're in the right place. With Facebook's latest update, the process is now more straightforward than ever. Let's walk through the steps together, so you can take control of your feed and your privacy. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, start scrolling through your feed or use the search bar to find the specific post from the profile you want to block. When you've located the post, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of the post. This icon is your gateway to more options. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear, showing you several actions you can take. From this menu, look for the option that says Block followed by the person's name. It will appear as Block, with the profile's name filling in the blank. Click on this option. Facebook will then ask you to confirm your choice, letting you know what blocking this profile will do. Blocking someone means they won't be able to see your posts, tag you, invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, or add you as a friend. If you're sure you want to go ahead, simply confirm your decision. And that's it. The profile is now blocked, and you won't see their posts or updates in your feed anymore. This new update makes it easier than ever to manage who can interact with you on Facebook, all without needing to visit their profile directly. It's a great way to keep your online experience positive and stress-free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.